Okay, hi everyone. So this is our second half of our income statement section and looking at different forms that tell us about our income. So let's take a look at a problem. So Barbara started a new job and wants to verify her net pay has been computed correctly. Great thing. Her gross pay per period is $469.75. She has the following deductions: a Social Security tax at 6.2%, Medicare tax, which is 1.45%, federal withholding tax of $110.51, state withholding of $66.62, retirement insurance contribution of $9, disability insurance of $2.56, medical insurance fee of $12, dental insurance of $6. So what should her net pay be for this period? Well, I think the first thing we better do is figure out her Social Security tax. So we need to take the $469.75 and times that by 0.026. So when we do that, we're going to get $29.12. Okay, so that's for Social Security. Okay, so then we need to take out her Medicare tax, which is going to be the $469.75 times the 0.0145 for that particular tax, and we get about $6.81. So those two are the percentages, and the rest are straight dollars. So we're going to have to take all of these, the 29.12, the 681. Okay, add in the 110.51, the 66.62, the $9, the $2.56, the $12. I'm running out of room. And the $6 for dental. Add those all up, and that's going to be her total amount of deductions. When we do that, I got $242.62. Now that's her deduction, so her net pay would be $469.75 minus $242.62. 372. So $227.13. Okay. All right, so let's try this one. So this is Lorena's bi-weekly pay stub, and according to Lorna's, salary and deductions remain the same throughout the calendar year. So nothing changes. Okay, so how much will be taken out of her annual gross salary for federal and state taxes? So this is her pay period, and notice it's 2 weeks long. This is how much she gets paid every 2 weeks. So I guess we better figure out how much she gets paid net. Okay, so let's do 26 pay periods, and let's do her federal deductions first. So where are her federal deductions? Okay. All right. So that's, her federal tax. Her federal tax. We're going to do federal tax. Okay. So we're going to do 26 times her federal. So 1,047 times 26, and that's going to tell us $26,038.22. That's how much her federal tax for the year. Now I guess we better do her state tax as well for the year. Okay, so that's $280. Okay, so this is state. $280.89 times 26. we're going to get $7,303.14. Okay, so those are going to be her, how much will take gross federal and state taxes. So we have to take those two numbers, 26,038, 22, and the 7,303 and 14. And we're going to add those together. Okay, when I did that, I got $33,341.36. Okay, so that's how much federal and state tax that she is going to pay. So we want to know how much will be taken out of annual gross salary for federal and state. And that's this number right here, $33,341.36. Okay. All right, let's try this one. Okay, so if you notice, we have a W-2 here. All right, so on January 30th, we have Joanne here received her W-2 form. Okay, how much did Joanne pay in federal, state, and local taxes during the course of the year? All right, so let's see if we can find that information on her form here. All right, so let's see. Federal tax. Oh, here you go. State. We got state. And we have local. Okay, so we can find that. And then federal. Oh, there it is. Number 2. There's our federal. So we're going to take the $15,851. Add to that the $5,344.50. And again, $1,092 for her local, and add all three of those up. And we get $22,287.50. Okay, all right. Okay, so what percentage of Joanne's gross income did she actually take home? Okay, so basically this is a percentage of her income. So let's see if we can figure out the percentage that she actually did take home. So I think we better find the difference between her wages and her tax. So 76,300. I forgot the $6,350 minus the $22,287.50. Oops, sorry. 76,350 minus 22,287.5. Okay, we get $62.50. And then we're going to want to divide, this is how much she has left out of her taxes. So let's divide that by the original amount. So I got 70.8%. Okay. All right, so let's try this last problem. This one looks pretty intense. All right, so we have Amy here who works for Pound Ridge Financial Planners. Her employer uses an electronic W-2 form as shown below. What accounts for the difference between her wages listed in box 1 and her Social Security Medicare wages listed in box 3 and 5? All right, so these two numbers, your wages and your Social Security Medicare wages thing, should always be the same. So why aren't they? Well, let's see if we can figure out how much the difference between those are. All right, so 92,100 minus the 78,900. So we have a difference of $13,200. Okay, so the question is where did that money go? Well, there's a couple of things on here that we don't have before. So we have this E, we have $12,200 here, and we have this Kraft 25 1000. So Both of those are done with what is called a tax deferred contribution. In other words, she had these taken out prior to taxes, so she didn't have to pay taxes on it. Okay, one is it's this distribution to her retirement fund, and the other would be for a flexible spending account. Okay, so there is your location of the missing 13,000. Okay, so on you can have that done so that you don't pay taxes on it. The thing about the flexible spending account, guys, is that it has to be used within a 12-month period. So if you start taking out in January, you have 1 full year to use that. A lot of times people use that for maybe glasses, if you're getting braces, or if you know you're going to have a medical procedure, maybe LASIK on your eyes, something that you have to pay for out of pocket. People save that money out of there. They don't want to pay tax on it, and then they use it. All right, so if you have any questions, please send me an email. Have a great day, guys.